We have not shied away from anything. In fact, the time and the rules are there as per the the rules or procedures of conduct of business. All of this is there in the rule book, and the rule book specifically mentions that on Friday the House will function from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, and it has been the some parts of the opposition have stressed on the rule many a times and saying that rule should be followed, and that is exactly what the speaker is doing. He's going as per the rules, he's going as per the business advisory committee's decisions, and all the points have been mentioned based on that. There are many occasions in which they can speak about these issues. There is the governor's address, the debate on governor's address. There is a budget. There can be special motions. There can be short discussion. So many options are there. So therefore, the members are free to raise any issue at any time. And regarding all the issues that have ever been brought out, we have always discussed the matters. We have never shied away from anything, and in the future also, and present and future also, we'll never shy away from any of the issues.